Before starting a cultivation in the BioLector XT microbioreactor, you need to prepare the Microtiter plate in a sterile environment. This requires the appropriate MTP, the Foil Applicator XT, a sterile barrier foil, and a silicone foil, as well as the respective gassing lid. In a first step, pipette the cultivation medium, the inoculum, and, if applicable, feed solutions into the corresponding MTP wells. It is recommended to transfer pH adjusting agents and feed solutions as the last step to minimize potential penetration of the solutions into the microchannels. Then manually apply the sterile barrier foil, which seals the wells off from the environment. Be sure to apply the foil properly and to attach overhanging edges to the sides of the MTP. In the next step, apply the silicone foil atop the sterile barrier foil with the help of the Foil Applicator XT. It is recommended to sterilize this tool prior to use, by autoclaving or wiping with alcohol. Place the silicone foil inside the foil applicator with the brown protective film facing upward, and press it down so that the pins push through the corresponding holes in the foil. Carefully remove the protective film. Place the construct atop the MTP and press it down firmly. In a last step, place the gassing lid on the MTP and push it down so that it sits in the correct position. Make sure to use the correct gassing lid when preparing a batch or fed batch experiment, respectively. In case you want to operate the BioLector XT microbioreactor in combination with a liquid handler, for instance the RoboLector system, make sure to again use the appropriate gassing lid. In this case, a second silicone foil is placed on top of the gassing lid. For guiding the liquid handler's pipetting needles, a conical lid, the so-called robotic lid, is clipped onto the gassing lid. The gassing lid is then ready to be placed into the microbioreactor.